Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Daisy and welcome. So today we're gonna have another unboxing video, but this one actually has a little story behind it. So as you guys may know, John Geiger is being sued by Nike because they are stating that their shoes are too similar to their Air Forces. So he does create his own shoe, and he says that yes, it could look alike, but he creates his shoe with different material and he creates his own sole. So, you know, lawsuits could take up to years and so on, but I did go ahead and order two types of his shoes, well, two styles. I got the white pebble leather lime, and then I got the linen tan pink ones. So he got sued, well, he got served the day before he was doing his release on his website, which is bold. I'm very confident. And there's a lot of he's like posting, keeping everybody posted on his IG and everything. I'll leave his information down below if you're interested and so on, and if you want to check it out. But yes, I did go ahead and purchase two, because if he loses this lawsuit, he won't be able to make or sell any of his shoes anymore, and I believe that the prices of them will go up because they're gonna be limited and rare. And if he wins, hopefully, so he can continue doing what he loves, then we'll still have some dope shoes. I mean, they're not my size, so I'll end up doing something with them, but they're dope, and I feel like anybody that knows about them would get a pair because they're very nice. So I went ahead and opened the box, and I got two pairs, like I said, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox them together. So let me take them out. So this is his customized box, you know, his initials, and then he has his little tag right here that says the size and what shoe it is. So this one is the white pebble leather green. Okay, so it comes with these laces and green, and even his paper has his initials, which is his logo. Oh, so these are the white pebbles. Let me take them out. So I could see why they are saying he is taking the silhouette of the shoe, but they are a bit different. And if you're really getting technical, you'll have to really inspect the shoe itself. But like, again, Steve Madden's been doing it for years, so it's like and they aren't creative at all. So but look, it's very nice. I do like the bottom. Look how creative that is. And then the material is very nice. It feels very soft. And then the inside, it has his initials in green, like this green right here in the back. It's a very nice shoe. Alright, so these are the other ones. I do like the box. It's very nice. Simple, and it's a bit sturdy. It's not like flimsy or anything. Again, the tag, size 11. These are the tan and pink ones. Let's go ahead and open them. Ooh, these are nice. And it comes with the black and white laces. Wow, these are very nice. I do like these two colors mixed together, and I do like the white sole. It makes the shoe pop. Like I said, I love the bottom. This is very creative, very nice. honestly, his shoes are, and then the inside is the green with the initials. Like I was saying, like his shoes are very nice. They do, like I said, remind me of the Air Forces, but there are little different things on them. I'm about to go and see. Hold on. So I couldn't find my original white ones right now. I just grabbed these from there. But like these little stars right here, this one has as well. The bottom is different, obviously. He wasn't going, ew, what the fuck is that? Anyways, I don't know what that is. Ew. I'll clean them after. But yes, obviously the bottom was going to be different because he wasn't going to directly take the same thing. I mean, it is a bit similar to the bottom. I mean, obviously this sole is thicker, so it's not gonna look the same. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but like I said, the shoe overall is very nice. The material feels good. I just feel like this is a, you know, a good shoe to have. You know, even if he wins the lawsuit or not, you should cop yourself a pair. I was, but they didn't have any in my size, so very nice shoe. So let me know in the comments down below what you think is going to happen. Are you going to buy a pair? Do you own a pair? That's what I want to know. Does anybody own a pair? And let me know if they're comfortable, because you know that the shoe could look comfortable but not be comfortable, so that's something good to know. And yeah, like I don't know what's gonna happen. Like, you know, like I said, it's a long process to all of this with the suing and everything, so hopefully we shall know soon what will happen. And like I said, if he loses, I believe these shoes are going to go for some good money, because they're very creative, well, color wise and stuff. But that's all for this video. I'll see everyone in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye. Before we go, these are some recent screenshots that I took from his IG with some more information if you guys wanted to keep up with this.